Hello guys, this is another KDF channel video. Today I will show you how I flip $100 into $1,000 just by reselling and refinishing wheels. This is a set of 4 really nice condition Toyota Camry DS version, SE version to be exact, and I bought these guys for $100 from somebody on OfferUp. And as you can see, there's a lot of curb rash here and there. But first of all, what I do before buying a set of wheels, I check on different websites what's the price. eBay sell these guys for $1,200, this set right here. So when I found this on OfferUp, I went immediately and picked them up. So what I'll do with these guys is I'll use a really nice Lexus color that comes on the F-Board series, and I'll paint these guys, I'll sand it and make them look perfect so I can get the money I want for them. A close look to all the details on the wheel. So you can see in the holes for the lug nuts, there's a lot of imperfections. You have curb rash here. So what I do is I use my DA, obviously, because I want to go faster, but you can do it by hand. This is a 150 sandpaper grit, and take a look what it does. It's not too aggressive on the wheel, but at the same time leaves a smooth surface. So this is the final step of the sanding. What I did is I used the 400 grit wet sanding, and you can see all the small details are gone. What I did is I don't go any lower than the primer, because after that, you know, there's the bare metal, like here where I removed the curb rash. On this section right here, I will use some primer to protect the wheel, but on these sections right here, we don't need it because that's the original primer. So the surface is smooth, it's ready to paint, and I'll show you when I'm painting the wheel. So what I do is I apply a little bit of primer, and then I'll smooth it with the sandpaper. But this is basically, like I said, the last step before painting the wheels. I will show you the paint coat I will use for these ones, and let's get ready to paint. This is the first step of the paint. This is the old, I would say, original condition wheel, and this is the first step. I painted black because this is the coat I'm using, and this coat recommends paint over black. This is a Lexus original color for the wheels, and this is the first coat of paint I do. Basically what I'll do is 2 coats of the black, then 2 coats of this one, and 2 coats of the clear coat. Let's see how it goes. Here we go with the first coat of the Lexus paint coat. This is like a silver, but it's not metallic. It's like more like a flat silver. This is the black wheel. This is after the paint. Obviously I need to add another layer of this base coat, and after the base coat we'll go with the clear coat. Let's see how it looks. This is the last part of the painting process. So this is the clear coat, first coat. I'll go a light coat on the first one, then I go a heavy one in the second one. It's gonna look like super candy, shiny, and it's gonna preserve the paint on the wheel. I'll show you the result in a couple days when the wheel is ready, dry, maybe 2 or 3 days. I'll put the center caps on and show you the rest. This is the final part of the video. As you can see, the wheel is ready. It's been sitting in the sun for the last 3 days, so the clear coat should be dry now. You can see all the scratches are gone. The wheel's looking smooth, shiny. You might be wondering why the wheel has a tire, and it's because I posted the wheels on Instagram and I didn't have time to post it on eBay. Somebody already bought it. We agreed on the price. He paid extra for the tires, and this one, to be honest, has been a success. So this is it for today. Thank you for watching this video, and also thank you for supporting my channel. Please subscribe, that's very important for me, so I know you guys like the videos I post. Please comment what do you think about this job, and see you in the next one.